You wanna go down? Okay, can you go down? You want move this one?
Yeah, and I bet he too.
Okay. Ready.
Take my turn.
You wanna do trampoline?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go trampoline.
Take a leap pad.
Okay, come on. Just put it here. There you go. Perfect.
Go take a leap pad.
Here, we're done trampoline park.
No, I go there take a leap pad then.
Here in our trampoline.
Ready, Mom?
Yep. Stretch your back, please.
Where are my tools?
Here under. Stretch your back. Back. Oh,
Tools.
Jelana,
My tools.
underneath. Underneath. Let me push the thingy. Oh, your head. Be careful.
Okay, Mom. You put it. There you put it.
There you go. Be careful. I said be careful.
I'll be careful.
Okay, let's go to trampoline now.
Baby Tadan. Tadan. Baby Tadan.
Do you want to go grab that thingy? Clean up your grass?
I watch and I do this. You know, Mom. Pelican.
Hello, Mikay. Kumusta na sa'yo? Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Anong balita sa'yo, Mikay? Okay, I'll sit here.
Oh no.
May bago kang baby, Mikay. Ilan taon na yung baby mo? Oh, you got two. Ayos lang. May ilan taon na yung baby mo? Oh, 4 years old. Kala ko, babe, kapapanganak mo lang. Kala ko may baby ka. Oh, be careful.
I do that thing.
Again.
Wait. Chop. Ready, set. Keep this. Hi, guys.
Kala ko kaka-baby, kapapanganak mo lang.
Already.
Wow, wow.
10 minutes
Tell daddy, exercise. Dad, you want exercise? No, ask daddy if he wants to exercise. See, he's sitting down. Oo, mahirap na nga eh. Mahirap. Yeah, bata ka pa naman eh. Kung baka kaya mo pa. You're gonna hurt. Bata ka pa naman, kaya pa yan. Basta ano, maalagaan lang eh, no? Oh. Ay, oo, masakit nga. Sinabi mo. Oo. Sa kawawa yung katawan ng babae minsan. Basta may anak ka na, importante yan. Chuchu. Cha-cha. Basta may nagkaanak ka na, yun ang importante. Wow, wow, wow.